Hello to all the Play to Earn gamers and welcome! Now, we have already dabbed into other blockchains, other games outside of what Womplay has to offer, and today we're expanding our borders even further to bring you one of the most successful titles on the Wax blockchain. It's Our Planet. This idle mining and digital card game with cute mascots will sure awake an explorer in you. But how far will you go in your experiments? In this video, we'll discuss the gameplay and what you can get with very basic elements. Let's go! According to Our Planet's lore, you're assuming a role of an interstellar settler of sorts. You have two main goals: mining ether, this, and discovering new elements and items from all kinds of elemental combinations. So, all the normal things that space adventurers do. Some of the elements and the items you create get minted on Wax as NFTs. Best part, if you come up with a unique combination and concoct something for the first time ever in the game, you get a very handsome inventor's reward. You can sell those NFTs, of course, or use them to mine more ether? I'm never gonna get this right, am I? Anyway, that's pretty much the gist of it. Let's dive right into the game. Okay, so here is the main screen, and if you've ever played any of the old school classic RPGs with alchemy, though, any kind of crafting system really, this will be very, very familiar to you. You have 4 slots for different elements. At the very start, there's a super basic. We have air, earth, water, fire, these things. And out of these basic elements, and also out of the things that you can create with these basic elements, you gotta always make something new, right? Unlike in the RPG games though, the recipes for everything are known to you in advance, right? I'm talking more like items or more advanced elements. So for example, air and lava give you stone, and lava in turn can be created with earth and fire, and that makes things somewhat easier already. It's pretty convenient to use the system to trace everything back, like what you need. Okay, electricity, there, gunpowder, okay, that requires fire and energy. Dust, and dust is air and earth, and energy is fire and air. So you can already calculate how much of everything you would need to reach the desired result. Let's try to make something, right? We saw that lava requires earth and fire 50-50, right? So that, and let's construct. And yes, keep in mind that you will need some wax on your account to carry out these operations. So there's a fees collected by the game that needs to be signed with a wallet, and once you sign it, you will have your element, you will have your, well, lava in this case. So that was the generator. Now let's talk about another major mechanic in Our Planet. It's NFT staking. Any NFT that you earn in Our Planet, and let me tell you, not only in this game, I mean, look at that list, can be staked to mine ether, that thing. Ether is pretty much only necessary for you to buy new basic elements so that you could create new amazing things in Our Planet, and possibly mint more NFTs for you to earn with. There are 2 ways to go about it. So if you did it as I just did now, went to settings and staking, you can click on any of the buttons here. It doesn't really matter what it says, right? And you will see your card and tap on stake here. As you can see, this NFT would mine me 150 ether per hour, or alternatively, in the game itself, you can just tap on your account name and then stake it from here. All of the NFTs that you create in the game can be later on sold on Atomic Hub. Go to atomichub.io, make sure that you chose Wax here as the main blockchain, log in using your wallet, and navigate to the inventory. Right here is where your NFTs will be, so just tap on the button list in the market, suggested price, collection fee, all of these things. You just set it all up, and there you go. Now, if you have a lot of ether in your hat, on your hands that you would just like to offload somewhere, you can do that on Alcor. Go there, and don't forget to log into the Wax mainnet and choose the swap feature. So you can choose Ether here. Let's say we want to sell 50,000 Ether. For that, we will get roughly 0.7 Wax or any other Wax-based token of your preference. And then we just go to swap, confirm it with a wallet, and that's it. That's how really easy it is to sell the tokens that you mine in our planet. And that was our look at our planet. Hope you'll enjoy this game. Join our Wombat Gamers Discord server and be on the lookout for more guides and Let's Plays. And check back on Womplay for more games to play and earn with. Should we do more videos about Wax games? Let us know what's your favorite Wax game in the comments. And stay playing and slaying. Ciao!